G rang shit. An ina atá buichas le gia. Friday, thank God. Have you got that Friday feeling? Thank crunchy it's Friday. So a nice quick week. Now, Anish, in you, Jane Himage, we will do our Leisawalya Arish. So Leifimage on scale Eadaí nua, Lahnach Quega Car 54 in our Leisawalya. Okay, so Togi Amak on lower, August, Oscliagi on lower, Lahnach Quega Car. Now, on scale shot, Eadaí nua. So I have highlighted Nabrihra, and just a quick glance, can anybody tell me or say in your own heads what Brihra or what Amshire Gamaleshgale have we got here? An Amshire Kacha, an Amshire Láithreach, or an Amshire Oistrakh? Yeah, so you see a lot of V, you see Hui, you see Kiani, Ka, you see a lot of H's. So it must be an Amshire Kacha. So it's a story looking back. Okay. Brehlo Isla Avian. So Feki an Sho, Tá Cahar Chalini an, well, Birch Chalini agus Birch Mana. 2 women and 2 girls. Okay. So Cahar an Amnon, 4 in total. But anyway, so Brehlo Isla Avian. It was Isla's birthday. For she Jarvan Bruntanus Safust or Anchin Lisha Ngalov. So, what's a Jarvan Bruntanus? Go to the folklore, the glossary. A gift voucher. So, for she gift voucher Safust in the post or Anchin Lisha, her Aunt Louise, in Ngalov, in Galway, where we are. The Eadaí nua ag tastal uhi. Okay. She wanted new clothes. Okay, so she wanted new clothes. Eg an Jera Shachtana, hui she féin agus mami goji an tunneth shopadorta chun Eadaí nua a cheach. Okay, at the weekend, hui she agus mami goji anad shopadorta mar hampla Dún Drummond no Golden Island no Liffey Valley chun Eadaí nua a cheach. Cha siad an law ag shopadort. Remember ka, our superverb, it can mean wear, it can mean spend, it can mean smoke, it can mean throw. But in this instance, it means they spent. Kashi dan law, they spent the law the day ag shopadort. Kiani she guna, breach the kena, tilena, agus buta she, I shopa awan. So that's all she bought. And Kiani, see Kiani, the H, that's how we know it's the Amshire Kacha. Du saj she an Darvan Bruntanish. Du saj, again, we know this is the Amshire Loric because we have usaj is the verb to use. But it's D apostrophe because it starts with vowel. So du saj she an Jarvan Bruntanish. She used the gift voucher. Wool she lena cara sirsha sa shopa kyol. Now, wool can mean hit or punch, but when it's got the little word le just after it, it means meet. So she met lena cara sirsha sa shopa kyol. And remember we had the shopa kyol the other day in our Naberlum. Vi she ag shopadort lena mami freshen. For she'd they got joch agus capra sandwich lechela sa cafe. Okay, remember the lads the other day, for she'd burger, they got a burger on Malak Gujian bus. But these guys got joch agus capra, a drink and a sandwich. Ega kuga klug, Dorch mommy, so mommy said, Garau she an am do loalia. It was time to go home. Vi law intuk eg isla. She had a brilliant day, and if I say ober intuk, that means brilliant work. So vi law intuk eg isla. Agus ni ein fi sé jarmid gojo an law. Shin. She will never forget. Ni ein fi sé. She will never forget. Jarmid gojo an law shin. She'll never ever forget it. Okay, so the question that you'll have to write out the fragry for. Nice and simple for Friday. Okay, we'll keep this simple. Now, can I just say though, no Janigi Jarmid. Don't forget on Tegel, agus an Data, agus na Hivrika. Keep going, presenting our work neatly, okay? Don't just slap it down on the page, okay? Keep our good habits up. Last day of the week, you have the weekend then to relax, but let's do a good job in this note today. So, Cain law a V on. What's our answer going to start with? Well, actually, our answer won't start with it, but so it's actually the first line. Something, something a V on. Iver though, cada for isla sa fust. So, what's our answer going to start with? For isla, whatever sa fust. Iver 3. Cada vi ag tastal uhi. Okay, cada vi ag tastal uhi. What did she want? Okay, vi something ag tastal uhi. Iver kahar. Kahan a hui she gajian tunned shopadorta. So when? So what's our answer going to start with? Hui she gaji. Whenever. Okay, iver kuig. Kad a canny she. What did she buy? So what's our answer going to start with? Ciani she. Okay? Now, those are simple. And simply those 5 sentences or answers. So I want those done. And I also want a recording of this short scale. So it's a scale gar. Really short story. It's scale jazz. Nice story, Snapshot Gotcha. So there's a lot of very good stuff in it. So answer these 5 questions. You don't have much now today, Aaronina. Much work, because we'll have our quiz later and all that. And then have a go at these. Have a go reading this. Leave it as a voice message on Seesaw. Take a picture of the 5 answers here, send them on. So there's 2 parts now, guys. Listen up, 2 parts. Some people only ever do 1. Okay, and then record yourself, Léigh, an scéal seo, reading this story. Is that Ceart Galore? Gur Mágaibh, guys. Slán live.